Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 769. Compression is disabled for this volume. Error compression disabled on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open File Explorer. You may press Win+C shortcut key to open File Explorer. Here go to your problematic drive, right click on it and choose Properties. Here first make sure that your file system is NTFS, and thereafter from the top menu bar go to the option General, and here at the bottom of the page make the check against option Compress this drive to save disk space and choose Apply and OK to save the changes. Here a pop-up window will appear. Apply changes to D drive only, apply changes to D subfolders and files. Choose second options and click on OK. It will take some time. You will need to provide administrator privilege. It will take some time, and once completed, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. Press Apply and OK to save the changes also, and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the Start button and choose Run. In Run dialog box, type the command gpedit.msc. Click on OK. This command will open local group policy editor in Windows 10 or 11 Home Edition only. Here under computer configuration, expand administrative templates, expand system, and here scroll down and look for the option File System. Expand it and select NTFS, your file system. Thereafter go to right side and here open Do Not Allow Compression on All NTFS volume, and here make sure that Do Not Allow Compression on All NTFS volume is set as disabled, either disabled or not configured. And if you found it enabled, then choose disabled or not configured and choose Apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Open command prompt windows as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear, and in command prompt windows execute the command chkdsk c/f/r. chkdsk scan. Press enter. Check the next time the system restarts. Choose type Y and press enter. Your computer will restart and the scanning process will be start. So after that, restart your system and your problem